My family friend's mower wasn't working too well, so I went ahead and did a carburetor cleaning. It had an issue where it would run for a few minutes and then it would start to starve and turn off. If you do try this yourself, I do recommend getting some gaskets because I'm going to have to replace them myself. Just didn't have them on hand. If you're doing this cleaning yourself at home, you can use some carb cleaner and some thin wire to get into the jets. You don't need a machine like this. Thanks.